As you may know, I do a lot of Shein hauls. I do a lot of them. I do a lot of hauls in general. So I thought instead of just doing a haul, I'd do a little keep or return. Makes it a bit more juicy. Because this video is sponsored by Shein and these items are gifted. Thank you so much. Love you. You're not going to have a haul and love everything. Like, if you do, then you must be a robot. Anyway, let's get straight onto the haul. Start off with a pair of shoes because look at these. I actually took an Instagram picture in these inserts here. I've spoke about Shein's heels before and they're so good. Their shoes are just so good. Their slippers, let me talk to you about their slippers. They're amazing. The only thing is, like, this is clear. I'm like, of course it needs to be, but like, I don't know. I don't know. Why am I even pointing that out? Like, I don't even hate that. It's a little square bottom heel with the pearls. These are stuck on really well. I love this as well, and I like that it wraps around, like pearls around your leg. It just looks so luxe. And I love it, and they done me well for my Instagram photo, and they were really comfortable. I don't know if it's the heel. If it's the heel, I'm going to start buying heels with this type of, what is this, shape. It's stiletto, but it's got a square heel. I don't know. It's square toe, of course, because if you know, I only ever wear square toe heels. So we're going to start this one off. We're going to rate it as well. I'm going to give these, I'm going to be bold and say a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for looks. Is it durability? I would keep these. I would not return these. Ever. If you held a gun to my face, I still wouldn't return them. Jokes, and I probably would if you said that. Next item. So we've got this little set. I spoke previously in my Shein hauls that they have a petite section. So this is from the petite section. No, I don't think it, I think it was still too long. I just feel like the only thing they've done is make it tighter. This was very tight. Like, the top is perfect because I need my tops to be a bit tighter, but the bottoms were just way too tight, so it was like more sucking my bum in. And the drawstrings aren't real, unfortunately, but I like this kind of material. It's like a waffle material, and it does come in a set. I did get the smallest size, so maybe that's a fault on my part, but I'm always the smallest size, so I just grab my size, obviously. It is cute. The colour's cute. I wanted to wear it with like a pink cardigan. If I had a choice to keep this and return this, I would. So out of 10, I'd give it a 5 because that's halfway. So 5 points for this and then like 0 for this. But that's only because it's too small. If this fitted, then I'd give it an 8. So we're gonna go with return just because I don't like the full thing. You are beautiful. Again, I took an Instagram picture in this because I love it. I actually wore it with these bottoms here. Pink and camo go together so well. I'm literally obsessed with this little bandeau. It's a faux leather boned type of corset thing. Zip on the back. This is really nice. I can't fault the quality. It also has the rubber thingies here, you know, that like stick them to you. If they had more colours in this, I would grab another colour. I feel like it was slightly, like ever so slightly too big. So I would give this a 9 out of 10 just because it's a tiny little bit big. I said tiny little bit big. That doesn't make sense. Tiny little bit big. Yeah, it does. I don't know. I'm just waffling. So 9 out of 10, and I would definitely keep this. And I urge you all to keep it if you buy it. I'm sorry, this box is a bit of an eyesore, isn't it? So we've got a pair of sunglasses. No, they are cool, aren't they? Are they big? Are they too big? I can't tell. I really wanted the like oversized Y2K type of glasses with, they call them rimless. Are they rimless? I've got so many sunglasses from Shein. Their accessory section is just so good. They're good quality for the price. They're like, what, £3? You literally can't fault them. I've never had them break on me or anything. I would give these a 10 out of 10. Or a 9 out of 10 because they're a bit big. No, a 10 out of 10. Stop doubting yourself, China. 10 out of 10, and I would keep these 100%, and I'd grab them in other colours if they had other colours. Oh, another item. Again, oh, it's inside out. I'm so bad. Like, seriously. Again, in my last Shein haul, I mentioned about their petite section and their tweed. These are giving me like old man farmer vibes, but I like it. Tweed shorts are just so cute. I know we're like coming out of winter now, but these with some like long boots, a fur coat, a oversized like knitted jumper. Oh, it's just so dreamy. I love it. Buttons on them are so cute as well. You can also wear tights with these, but this fits me perfectly on the waist. They're not bummy neither because they're meant to be like classy shorts. I love them, and I love their tweed. Is this even tweed? This is just like dog tooth. I don't know. I give these a 10 out of 10. I have nothing bad to say about them. They're so nice. And I would keep these. I would keep them forever. Also, if you see this bruise on my lip, I don't know. Apparently I've popped a blood vessel. Stressing me out and I'm scared. Next item. I'm not sure if I do like these. So they're like stacked ruched leggings. You'll have to wait for the trial clip because that looks like a sack of potatoes. I got these again from the Petite section. I just feel like you need to have the right vibe. Where I'm small, it just looks like they don't fit me and that I've like bagged them. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Are they petite? Not really. And they're a little bit loose on the bottom. Can you see? Like, who are you fitting with an ankle that big? Well, that's not possible, is it? But the quality of the leggings are nice. They're not see-through and they're comfortable. The waistband's stretchy, just great. And I haven't worn this colour leggings since I was in like what, year 8? So I don't know if, is this a thing anymore? Do we wear this light of a grey legging anymore? Probably not. I thought maybe with like a graphic tee or a hoodie these would look cute. I'm just not sure. So for that reason I'll say return just because I'm not sure. And out of 10 maybe like a 7 because the quality's nice, the thought's there. It's just I'm unsure myself. So similar to the waffle one but it's just straight. Oh, I just shown you grey leggings and I got another. Okay, this is another set. Petite section. Top fits amazingly. Bottoms, not petite at all. They're still really long. The quality is nice, but it's just not petite like it claims it is. So for that reason, and are these real? No. Fake little pulley things again. For that reason, what are we gonna give you, Miss Set? Again, if it was sold separately. Like I want the grey top just because it's cute and it fits. So we're gonna do a 5 out of 10 again, just for like half and half. And just because they're not petite like they claim they are, I will return them. However, if you're not petite and you actually have long legs, unlike me, you would like these. And if I was your height, then I'd give it a 9 out of 10. But because I'm not, I'm just bitter. And I'm saying return. Oh, let's go on to this. I was so excited about this. Can you cope? Gym set. Don't go to the gym. You know this. I wish I did, but I don't. And will I ever? Probably not. I always talk about Shein's like seamless and like ribbed and gym stuff because it is insane quality. Now I need you to buy this because look how she sat, literally so good. The way I describe good quality things is that they sit by themselves. It's like a baby. If you're a good quality baby, sit up yourself. No, but like, I don't know where I was going with that reference of the baby. Got little padded cups, but it leaves a little gap so you can take them out. I'll keep them because I need anything I can get. But this cobalt blue colour, are you joking? That is insane. Little zip, so if you want to get a bit boobylicious. Whoa, not that boobylicious. Oh my god, unzip the whole thing. Comes as a 3-piece set. Thick ribbed bottoms, big waistband with a drawstring. That actually works. And then the part that I'm most excited about is this jacket, like a little sports jacket. It's just so thick. Like, it's just so thick and stretchy. It's got thumb holes as well, and then the 3/4 zip if you want to get a bit boobylicious. I think it comes in black, which now I'm gonna have to get. So this, like, 1,000 out of 10. You're gonna have to wait for the try on clip because it's literally a piece of fabric. Long sleeve, but it's off the shoulder with a little strap. I again took an Instagram picture in this because I loved it so much. With cargos, it looks really nice. I wore mine with cargos and heels, so it's a good like night out top and stuff like that. I would keep this. I would say 8 out of 10 just because I wish it covered a little bit more because I'm just scared, you know what I mean? I'm just a little bit scared. And then some jeans. I'm really sad about these because I saw a girl talk about these on TikTok and they looked amazing on her. So they're like grey cargo jeans, but they are just extremely long. I'm 5 foot, things don't ever fit me, and the waistband is quite big, even for like, excuse me? Even for a low-waisted moment, like they're just dropping off me. And these are the smallest size, but the quality of them is really nice, and the design where like the cargos and like utility vibe, that's really, really nice. But I will have to give them like a 3 out of 10 for that, just because they are just way too big, like way too big. We'll have to say return. It's making me so sad. It feels like it's such a negative video, but it's just me bringing out points, and it just helps you know whether to size up, size down and stuff like that, because none of it's to do with the quality. I haven't said anything about quality, it's just sizing. Okay, so I've got a few of these jumpers from Shein. I really wanted this green, like foresty green colour. I love forest green, so I can wear them with like beige cargos, and I have a pair of green shoes. Well, that'd be a really cute outfit to match. Quality is a little bit thin, but it is so cheap. If you want like a cheap hoodie in like every colour, because they have every colour, then I check these out because they're really nice. It's like really soft. It is soft and warm, that's the thing. Like the inside's really fleeced. I'd give this an 8 and I would keep this. Even though it's a little bit thinner, it's good for like summer. You know, where you just need a bit of warmth, but you don't want to sweat. I'm obsessed with this colour, look at that. When I have gym sets, it makes me want to work out. Short sleeved little gym top. They have this gym set in like 1,000 colours. Is this inside out? Yeah, it is. And creased as anything. I'm still going to show you, even though it's literally inside out. It's the same as that. Thick waistband, which cinches you in a bit. But I found it really comfortable, not restrictive. I could do everything. I've done the squat test. It's not see-through, nothing like that. I really want like a green colour, but like a bright green. 10 out of 10. Would keep this. Want you in every single colour. Another top. Again, I got an Instagram picture in this. I wore this with them pearl heels. I feel like this is very like classy with the ruched mesh. This was a bit big for me because I've got no boobs, as we've discovered. The zip up back, got the actual boning and with the little sucky thing so it sticks to you, which I feel like that saved me. I wore this with a skirt that's very similar to this. I'm pretty sure Shein sell a skirt that's like mesh like this and same colour. I just feel like it was really, really cute, and if you don't want to go too out there, like that pink one was quite out there, this is more for people's comfort. I just feel like it looks really simple but really classy at the same time. It's really good quality. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. I would keep this. Then I got this bag. She's not giving quality. She was like £2 because I don't actually buy these type of bags to use. Like they're just for display, an accessory basically. I really like this. It's very Y2K. I thought with them glasses would look so cute. The gold detailing, and is this, it's just an M or is it W? I'd give this like a 7 out of 10 just because of the quality, but I would keep it just because it's really cute. So if you're looking for a bag just for accessories and like pictures, it is really, really sweet. They do have another one on there which looks similar but it's bigger. Then if you know, you know, I'm obsessed with anything fluffy. So I've got these fluffy slippers. I have this pair of slippers in 2 other colours. I've got the black and like mink brown. So I got cream because why not? They're super comfortable. They're more like shoe kind of slippers because they do have like a harder sole, which is nicer, I find. I don't know. They're really comfortable, soft here. They're just really soft. Like, can you see? Oh, they're just so soft. Oh my god. I said I love fluffy things. Like I actually just got goosebumps. I'm so weird. Like this just makes me happy. Oh, stop it. Why are you so cute? This reminds me of the, I think it's the Marc Jacobs bag. The little tote that's fluffy. This quality, amazing. It's got the like hard bottom, the fluff of course. I love that it's this beigey brown colour. And it's a zip so things don't get wet. I mean, I wouldn't carry this in the rain anyway because of the type of bag it is. It's like fluffy. Oh, it comes with a strap as well. That's cute. Love that. I like the handles as well. Oh, it's just so cute. So cute with a little tag. I don't know what it actually says. It says Dewier and bag. I don't know, but I just love it. Like, what outfit would I wear this with? If you have an idea down below, let me know because I don't know. I'm meant to be the fashion person and I don't know how to style it. 10 out of 10, keeping this. So I got these cargos. I'll just wait for the charm clip, honestly. So I grabbed them in khaki, black, and cream. You know what's so funny? I would return them. Like, why did I? Normally, I grab something in one colour and then if I love it, I'll get it in every colour, but I just bit the bullet and got all 3, which is sad. It's just because they're too big for me. They only came in a size small, like medium large, instead of an extra small. If they were an extra small, they'd fit. They're quite long and the waist is just too big, but it's elasticated, nice quality, like shell cargos. And I just wish they fitted me because they are really nice. Like I love this cream colour and I love the black, of course, and I love the khaki. They're just too big, which makes me so sad because I thought I'd love these. We'll have to give them, if they fitted me, I'd give them 9, but because they don't fit me, I'd give them a 5. Anyway guys, that's the end of my little keep or return with Shein. Let me know if you like this style video. It's not much different. It's literally a haul, but I'm just saying keep or return. I did forget to say I do have a discount code with Shein. It's 15 chyna.xx. If you like Shein hauls, then give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you like me or my videos. I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.